Oh, hey guys, it's Ryan here. This is my first YouTube video. It's dedicated to my mom, so it's going to be lasagna, something she made for us all time as kids, and I know you guys are going to love it. So check out the video, like, subscribe. Also, go to Instagram and follow me at Beer Belly Food and Travel.
Hey Beer Bellies, let's get going. Let's cook this lasagna. Chop up the mushrooms, onions. While I'm doing that, the beef is cooking. And the beef's almost ready to go here. But not yet. Gotta have a little drink of Red Stripe, favorite beer in the world. Okay, let's add our spices. Salt, pepper, all to taste, guys. Garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, cayenne. Mix that all in really nice. Beef should be nice and brown by now. And now I'm gonna add in the tomato paste. Adds a nice little flavor. Rock on, guys. Let's put this in the bowl. Set that aside. Butter, oil. I like to use grapeseed oil. Mushrooms, onions in. Just get that going so it's nice and soft. And while that's going, chop up the roasted red peppers. Toss that in. Stir it around nice. It's my wife's hand. She's always helping out. She's doing all the filming. Let's get the oil into the water. Get that boiling, ready to go. While waiting for that set up, we're gonna add the beef into all the veggies. Stir that in nice. Get all those flavors mixed in. And there's Maggie, our little dog. She's always in the kitchen looking for a little taste of what's on the menu. And the last thing we're gonna add in, this is my mom's secret to the recipe, add in pepperoni. And I'm using gluten-free pepperoni here because we're gonna be making a gluten-free option lasagna today for my daughter who's gluten intolerant. So there's the shot of that. So you can use any rice flour based gluten lasagna noodles, anything you like. So if you have someone in the family that's gluten intolerant, you can still make this awesome lasagna and everybody can enjoy. And I like to use sliced cheese there, just a shot of that. So let's spray the pan down, don't forget to do that. And we're gonna stir the noodles a little bit, make sure they're all nice and soft and tender. Let's get that all drained out. And now we're gonna start layering the lasagna. I like to put a little coating of sauce on the bottom just so things don't get stuck, even though you got the spray in there. And now let's put some of that sliced cheese on the bottom. And the sliced cheese acts like a glue, so just add lots and lots of cheese on the bottom, especially on the bottom there. Now you just throw in the meat, get that nice coated in there, good thick layer, and add some more jarred tomato sauce. And now we're gonna shred some really beautiful Parmesan, hard Parmesan cheese on there. Make it nice and cheesy. You can never have too much cheese, right guys? Come on. Let's set that aside. And now we're gonna do the gluten-free option. Same method as the big lasagna there, the regular lasagna. And we'll put a little extra on top for my girl there. Pop those in the oven for about 45 minutes, about 400 degrees, 425, just keep an eye on it. I like to cover it for most of the time for the last 20 minutes, just uncover it so it gets nice and toasty on top and golden. And there we go. And this is one of our family favorites, cook it all the time. And this was just a pre-Christmas dinner. And it turned out great. Have some garlic bread and Caesar salad with it, guys, and maybe a bottle of red wine or a couple Red Stripes. Enjoy.